one. I'm going to be dyeing a black interior. Now I'm going to be doing the center console of a Soarer. Basically, after the video of my interior one, so it's going to be my new venture. I'm going to offer a service where I can retrim your interior, obviously dye your original interior, and then as you can see, like on the door cards, pretty much any material you want. So I thought I'd just do a quick how-to. So I've done the armrest, it's not dry. So that is the armrest. As you can see up the top, you still got sort of like damp patches where it's still not dry. But there is the center console. So as you can see, I have cleaned this with soap. I have cleaned this with white spirit. I've cleaned it with brake cleaner, and it is still all horrible stains everywhere. And yeah, what you will need some dye. You will need a pot. You will need a sponge. Now, I think these ones, you know, your old kitchen ones, they're brilliant because they're cheap and they've got the abrasive bit. So I actually clean that bit and I use that bit for sort of like an effect. So you will also need some very heavy duty waterproof oil resistant gloves, because I'm telling you now, from the last time I did it, took me nearly a month to get it off my hands. So the first thing you will need to do is get your glove on. Get my eye, give it a bit of a swivel. Probably should have done that with the lid on, but never mind. So there we go. Now, this does actually go quite a long way. So you don't need too much. You slap it in there, let it absorb. So give it a quick swivel all the way around. Obviously, first coat and being very liberal. Just slap it all on, slap it on, give it a good slap on. Obviously you want to get all of it. Well, I do, because I'm going to be selling them. And I've basically just got the sponge and just... Now, the reason I've done that is so that it gets in all the crevices, gets in everywhere. And then what I'll do is I'll leave that for a couple of minutes just to soak in. So if you want the OEM look, there is a bit of a technique. Get a nice dollop. So what you do is you dab. Now, this is going to sound stupid and you're going to think I'm chatting, but what this does, now, even though it looks a bit rubbish at the moment, and it does, what this is actually doing is it gets rid of all the marks. Now, you are creating a lot of air bubbles, I'll give you that, but there is another technique, and perfection takes time. So, I have now dab. Now, you will get these sort of like foamy air bubbles. You want to get rid of them. But it's not the end of the world on the first go. So what you will do is you basically go over the whole thing. Now, obviously, the smaller the panel, the easier it is. But yeah, this is time consuming and it is going to take you a long time. So that's that done. So as you can see, it's gone from all scratchy to almost leather effect. If you put too much on, obviously it will dry 10 times longer, but you'll see like foam bubbles. Now you need to get rid of them. The reason I use takeaway tubs is because all you have to do, instead of wasting it all, you just put the lid on, and I can come back tomorrow and that'll still be good. So it's almost an excuse to have a takeaway, isn't it? And as you can see, this stuff goes everywhere. So this is why you wear the gloves. Like, it will go all over your floor, it will go all over your shoes. So only put stuff on like wear crap clothes that you don't mind getting ruined, and I probably should have put that there. But anyway, yeah, so you want to let that dry completely, because what it will do is, if it's not dry completely, it will, when you dab that, it will go to the original layer and just pull up all the dye. So you'll have a nice bit, patchy bit, where that bit's not dried properly. So you have to let it dry properly. Almost, it's same principle of painting. So we're now on 2 days later, because I didn't think you'd want to see me do this. So this has now had the second coat. This has now had the third coat, and it's still not 100% dry, but you can see it's got a nice, not gloss. And bear in mind, it's still not 100% dry. It looks OEM. It looks brand spanking new. And that's the effect that we're looking for. I'll probably give that an hour, let it warm up, let it dry properly, and then, yeah, so I'll film me dab, 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 dab. So there we go. That is the third and final layer. Well, fourth for the armrest, because obviously it's a high traffic area. As you can see, it looks rubbish again, but that is the point. It dries the way you want it. So we will now leave that overnight, come back in the morning, and that should be dry. It is now a couple of days later, and this is the final result. So as you can see, it's come out absolutely spot on. Obviously, I've built it back up. The armrest works. As you can see, it's all good. Looks OEM, even all the edges are done. Everything's back together. The only thing that did happen, there was a very small reaction there. Apart from that, it all looks good. So as you can, it's not too shiny. There's no sort of patches anywhere. It's absolutely spot on. So this will probably be up for sale now. But yeah, as you can see, I've had my hair cut as well, even though I've got a weird tufty bit there, but never mind. So yeah, this will now be up for sale. Like I said, I am going to be doing these as a thing. So I will do a deal. Obviously, if I'm breaking one or I've got spare ones or I buy some, they'll be a little bit more expensive. But if you want to send me your one, I can do like an exchange thing. Obviously the surrounds that goes around that as well, I'll be doing them, but I can do them any color. But obviously I'm doing the dyeing at the moment. So yeah, the next video is going to be the seats, to see how that comes out. But obviously, because there's going to be people on it, that's going to be high traffic. So that's probably going to have like 5 or 6 different coats, but I'll do a video on that as well. But yeah, so I hope you found that useful. If you do want to, if you do want yours doing, obviously I am UK based, so postage might cost you a little bit more if you're elsewhere in the world. But send me a message in the comment or join my Facebook group, which is Soarer Owners Club or Gorilla Garage, either or, and send me a PM or send me a comment and I'll send you a link on whatever. If you want to do this yourself and you're not 100% sure, then feel free to message me, give you some advice. Pretty much the video pretty much sums it up anyway, but yeah, that's it. So thank you very much for watching. If you found this useful, then please like and subscribe, because it does really help me out. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to press the buttons.